Atopolo, ati konko. What differences?
Darling, once a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 commotion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji House of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji House of commotion. Preaching practical solutions, Fuji House of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solutions. A Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion. Everybody in commotion. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
Atopolo, ati konko. What differences?
Abugo.
Tie.
Mommy, good morning.
Where Tie goes?
Mommy, Papa has left.
Left. Where to?
I don't know, but not to the office.
Not to the office. Where to then?
Mommy, I had Hitler say...
Who is Hitler, Rabu?
What do you want to do? Beat me?
Repeat yourself now, Oya.
Look, I don't have time for you this morning, you hear? Mommy. Mommy, I had Mommy B.
That's better.
What's the matter now? Let Rabu speak.
Oh.
What he said to Eko Sobodare?
That he was going somewhere.
Somewhere. What name of the somewhere?
I don't know.
Why waste time? Why waste time when you does not know?
Chineke,
You know what time he come from somewhere? Whether he come back on time?
Mommy, he didn't say.
Go to office after school. Ask Tie to give you what he promised for me.
Mommy, what did he promise?
Where he goes, you does not know. What time he comes, you are not know. It is this you want to put your nose inside. No, poking.
You're laughing, you're laughing. I'm better
Chief, veritably a hapless occurrence. That is why I have decided to make a will.
Yes, a salient resolution indeed, Chief.
Guys.
Bami, good afternoon, sir.
Rabiu.
Bami.
What is this exposition for this gross display of emotions, sentimentalism, and passions?
What's the meaning of that, sir?
Why are you weeping, young man?
Rabiu, what is the reason for these crocodile tears?
Bami, they are not crocodile tears, though. They are not crocodile tears, sir. They are not crocodile tears.
They are not crocodile tears. Okay, they are alligator tears then. Alright, alligator tears, so crocodile tears, so why are you crying?
Bami.
Rabiu, let me tell you something. If you have come here to ask for money for one book or one levy, I will not pay it, but I'm begging for any. Why are you crying?
Mommy said I should come and...
Rabiu, you offend your mother and you run to my own office, eh? Look, before I open my eyes, disappear from here right now.
Mommy, it's not like that, so it's not like that, sir.
Chief, exercise circumspection.
Forget your circumcision. Sabinos, you cannot teach me how to teach my children. You hear me?
Pardon my interference then.
Mr. Crocodile Chance, what are you still waiting for?
To deliver Mommy's message, sir.
So, your mother sent you to me?
Yes, sir.
And tears are part of that message?
No, sir.
Oh, you added the tears there. What does Kumbi want from me? Does she not see enough of me at home?
The multiplicity and miscellaneous conscientiousness and responsibilities of an eligible connubial married man.
Sabinos, I called you here to give service, not for the complication of the English language. With this kind of English, no wonder there is always confusion when wheels are red. Sabinos?
This is an unmitigated allied assault on the tympanic membrane.
My friend, will you say what you have come here for before you destroy my ears with your noise?
Mommy said I should come and get the promise that you promised her.
I didn't promise her anything.
I don't know, sir.
Oh, okay, I think I remember. I promised her 6 strokes of the cane. So you lie down and let me give it to you for her.
But Mommy, I didn't do anything, sir.
But what? Crying jackass? What?
This is ungrammatical. It is a laughing jackass.
What is your own, Sabinos? What is your own? If my grammar is paining you, then go out and buy a balm to rub it. You hear me? My friend.
But Mommy, the promises.
I did not promise her anything. Alright. Okay, why don't you go and find out and then tell me when I get home?
Mommy, but she refused to tell me, sir.
My beg you, if you don't leave here immediately.
Chief, you're quite a persona.
Look at you, Sabinos, with all your grammar, common person, you cannot say correctly. Person.
Chief, you are impossible.
You are insulting me.
No.
Sabinos, you are insulting me. Finish. I will not give you the job again, though. Yes, I will find another lawyer. Simple.
Chief.
I will get another lawyer.
No, Chief, that was just a figure of speech.
Figure of speech. My own is not a figure of speech. You have just lost a job.
Chief.
Yes, you have just lost a job.
Chief, the consequence of engaging in less sagacious, erudite legal representation is calamitous, catastrophic, and cataclysmic. Chief.
Yes, hello. Yes. Sorry, is that yes, Barrister Keyamo? Yeah.
Chief.
Sabinos.
This is
why did you call my phone?
Which one you take now?
What?
Chief, I beg. Are we now? I do this job for you.
Nonsense.
Please.
Darling. He borrowed more and more money from foreigners for road, railway, bridge, and more.
Baby, what's the matter?
Where is the promise? Tia beat you for office.
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
What is the mommy? What? Tell me. What is?
Mommy, I went to the office. I saw Sabinus Esquire talking to Bami.
Esquire? What do you want to do, Esquire?
Esquire, mommy.
Hey, what I say, man, you're milling Bojo. Esquire beat you.
The lawyer.
The lawyer beat you?
Mommy, Bami is making a will. Yes, a will.
Tia is making a will. What it mean?
Mommy, will is that thing you write when you want to die.
I know that. What I'm not know is Tia make will. Why? Is Chief die?
Mommy, it looks as if Bami wants to die.
Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. Tia it's not die. Hey, lie, come here,
then why is he writing a will then?
That is what is wonderful me now. What? Tia will.
You see, mommy, I am crying now. So you said I shouldn't cry, now you're the person crying, mommy. You said I shouldn't cry, now you're crying. Mommy, don't cry, oh. Mommy, don't cry, oh. Mommy, don't cry.
What is the matter?
Mommy P.
Nothing is the matter. Shut up. Nothing is the matter. Thank you.
Then why are you crying now?
This. I said nothing. Leave me alone.
Then why are you crying?
I cry because I like. There's freedom of cry in Fuji House. So thank you. Go.
You don't know if I can help you. Tell me now.
Leave me your peace. Leave me. I said nothing. Thank you. Go. Go.
Yeah? I beg you. Make I take cover this one.
Mommy, this concern of Fuji.
Shut up.
She's not saying no.
Even if Chief divorces her, she can't cry out to that.
Wait. I've been awaiting the outcome with that.
See me once, let me find out.
Mommy, oh! Mommy, oh! Mommy, oh! Mommy,
Darling. Welcome, Chief. You returned home late today.
So what? Have you been watching my movement?
What good has it done up till now?
Oh, so it is confession time now. You have been watching my every move by going in and coming out, Abi?
Chief, I came to welcome you, not to quarrel now.
Thank you. Good night.
Chief.
What?
Is something wrong with Mama Moji?
Don't you people live in the same flat anymore?
Hey, we do, but...
Honey Pie, welcome home.
My own Sisticuli Caro, guaranteed hypertension killer.
Baby boy, come to Mama. Let me give you some good loving.
I was coming before terrorists started terrorizing me with questions. I don't come today.
Chief, me?
How many terrorists do we have here?
Baby boy, please come upstairs. Don't let the terrorist bomb hit you.
Okay, alright. Coming right up.
And you, the cane that was used to flog the senior wife, is hanging up, waiting for you. I'm not afraid for a word.
Barbarians.
Eh?
Say you want to go to the toilet.
Telling me you don't know.
If you want to go to the toilet, go and check.
If you don't go to the toilet,
go leave me.
I should leave you.
But I just stay there. Sleep in the toilet.
Eshkekere come.
But I just sleep there.
Eshkekere come.
Leave him now if he wants to sleep.
Eshkekere, are you deaf? Come, Joe. If I slap you, you come, Joe. Shut up. I will slap you now.
Look at the person I'm talking to. Answer me now.
You buy now for me 20 naira.
You want to
20 naira.
You want to teach her?
Sister Fatty, are you seeing her now?
If I slap you, if I
If I
slap you, if I slap you, if I slap you.
20 naira.
I'm sorry for you.
I'm not inside.
Sister Jimmy.
Am I inside?
Your sister. Sorry. You're playing with fire, Sister Jimmy. Sorry for it. Jimmy, hey.
What are you doing to my daughter? Please, sorry. Please, see, it's your sorry. Sorry, Biko. Leave her. Please, Benro. Sorry. Ndo. Biko. Yes.
Mommy, honestly, I was only playing with him.
True. Playing with him. With that thing you want to. Jumoke, playing with Tyson is like playing with a crocodile. I'm warning you. Makambo Gesubiri. Agamane. Okay, ma. Anyway, what I want to discuss with you is much more important than the quarrel of you and your brother.
Hey, man, what is it?
I want you to find out something for me from Rabiu.
Hey. No problem now. Get it.
Shut it.
Hey, ma'am, no problem now. At least I can talk to Rabiu. No problem. Ma'am, good night.
Dance.
Mommy, what do I do now?
Have I told you what you are going to find out about?
Oh, I forgot. What is it?
I forgot. No wonder you come home carrying the whole class on your head. 39 over 39, promoted on trial. In Adikanaga. Anyway, I want you to find out for me why just crying.
Mommy, I'm going to scream.
Shut up, you okay? Shut up. Find out for me this night and tell me tomorrow morning.
But mommy, why don't you ask her yourself now?
Do as I ask.
Okay, mommy, no problem. I'll talk to Rabi. Mom, good night.
Catch you for. If Chief has given Mama Muji sack letter, I wonder who is next on the line. Sacked by Chief after 45 years. Fear! Me, I don't want to be a divorcee. Mbao.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 commotion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji House of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji House of commotion. Preaching practical solutions, Fuji House of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this better union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, commotion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji